Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make dotted letters in Microsoft Word. So for us to get this done, head over to Google and just go ahead and try here Cody Star font, and you should see from Google Fonts. Go ahead and click that one, and then we're just going to go ahead and click Get Font right here, and then click Download All. So just go ahead and save this right now. And then we're going to go ahead and open that particular folder once it's done downloading. So this is in zip file. And then you have here the two. So we're going to go ahead and install both of them. The same thing with Light. All right. Now that is downloaded, let's head over to the document. And now that we are here in the document, let's go over and just click the font right here. And you have there the Cody Star. So I can go ahead and click on that. And then you can see that I can go ahead and increase this one, the size of this. So yeah, that's basically how you're going to do it. Congratulations, everybody. That is how you're going to make dotted letters in Microsoft Word.